This is my list of top 5 scrying methods. There are many other scrying methods I was not able to add to this list, but maybe in the future I'll create another list. I do encourage you to do your research and find out more about scrying and the different types that I did not add to this list, as well as the ones that I did add to this list. Thank you so much and have a great day. Take care.